If you're renting and can't touch a wall, or you're tired of paying for whole house AC when you're only ever in one room, keep watching because this might save you both the hassle and the bill. I've been going through the EpiCooler closely, and today I want to give you a straightforward answer. Does it actually work? Does it hold up in both summer and winter? And is it worth the money? Let's get into it. The EpiCooler is a portable climate unit. It cools in summer, heats in winter, and requires zero installation. No drilling, no hoses, no calling anyone out. It's produced in a certified HVAC manufacturing facility, which honestly gave me more confidence in the build quality than I expected at this price point. On cooling mode, it draws warm air through internal heat exchange coils and pushes cold air back into the room. No water tank, no drainage needed. On heating mode, PTC ceramic elements kick in, warming the space fast and self-regulating so there's no overheating risk. 6 power settings, a remote control, and a quiet operation that won't bother you at night or during a call. One thing worth saying now, if you decide to try it, buy through the official website. I've seen it listed elsewhere without the guarantee. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments, so you know you're getting the real thing with the warranty intact. The energy advantage is real. You're only conditioning the room you're actually in. For renters or anyone done with high electricity bills from systems that cool entire floors, that matters. It covers rooms up to 51 square meters. If you need to manage a larger or commercial space, you'd want more than one unit. Close to 1,900 reviews, 4.7 stars, 97% would recommend it. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so the risk of trying it is low. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.